Right. Everyone see the 16th problem. 16th problem is, so everyone see 16th problem is, what is the 16th problem? Sine inverse of sine of 2 pi by 3. Sir, here already we tell one formula, na? Sine and sine inverse is cancel, answer we will write. So, so already sine and sine inverse both are cancelled. Na? Simply we can put answer is the 2 pi by. No, sine inverse is defined in the range of minus 90 to plus 90. So most important that point, sine inverse defined in the range of, sine inverse is defined in the range of minus 90 to 90, mean minus 90 to 90, sine inverse values are not repeated. Therefore, it is a both 1 and on 2. Therefore, it is a inverse function. Every inverse function is a bijective function. Okay, na? So minus 90 to plus 90, sine values are not repeated. Therefore, it is one element have one image, one element have one image, one element have one image. Maruti, see second video. Yesterday we'll put in the group second video. Okay, na? Uh, one element have one image and one element have one image, and range is equal to codomain in the sine range of minus 90 to plus 90. The point is, understand everyone, sine is defined. So sine is both 1 and odd 2 in only minus 90 to plus 90. Then only it is a inverse bijective function. Every bijective function is a inverse function. That point should be remembered. Okay, na? Now write down. We know that the range of sine inverse is, so it is minus 90 to plus 90. In between minus 90 to plus 90, no value is repeated. Therefore, it is a both 1 and odd 2. Okay, na? Therefore, it is a bijective function. Every bijective function is a inverse function. Okay, na? So now here is not a 120 degrees. 120 degrees is not in the range of minus 90 to plus 90. Therefore, this angle is not a bijective angle. This angle is not a bijective angle. That's why we have to reduce the angle. How can you reduce, sir? Sine inverse of sine of 120 degrees, I am going to write it as a 180 minus 60 degrees. 120 degrees, I am going to write it as a 180 minus 60 degrees. 180 minus 60 is the second quadrant. So 180 minus 60 is theta in the second quadrant. In second quadrant. So what is the all silver? Sine is a positive. Sine is a positive. Okay, na? Sine is a positive. Silver sine is a positive. Means 180 minus 60. Sine is positive. First point is sine inverse of sine is positive. Second quadrant, sine is positive. Next one, 180 is the horizontal angle. No value change, no sine is changes, same sine. Remaining angle is the 60 degrees. Now the 60 degrees is belonging to the range of minus 90 to 90. Therefore, bijective function inverse is defined. 120 degrees, it is not a bijective function, value is repeated, range is not equal to two elements have the same image, therefore it is not a 1-1. It is not a 1-1 means it is not a bijective. It is not a bijective means it is not a inverse function. Point is understand? Therefore, 60 degrees belonging to the range of 60 degrees belonging to the range of minus 90 to plus 90. in this range. Therefore, so it is a bijective function. Every bijective function is a inverse function. Now inverse is defined. Now inverse is defined. Therefore, sine and sine inverse both are cancelled. Now the answer is pi by 3. In this pi by 3, sine inverse is defined. 120 degrees sine inverse not defined. Sine inverse is not a bijective function. Okay, now sine inverse is not a bijective function. Means it is not a inverse function. How can you cancel? Not possible. Therefore, the range of sine is mean. What is the meaning of range? In minus 90 to plus 90, no value is repeated. Therefore, it is a bijective function. Okay, now minus 90 to plus 90, no value is repeated. But already I will write all values. So 0 degrees is a 0. 0 degrees is a 0. Next, minus 30 degrees is minus half. Minus 45 degrees is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 60 degrees is minus root 3 by 2. Minus 90 degrees is minus 1. 30 degrees is plus half. 45 degrees is 1 by plus 1 by root 2. 60 degrees is plus root 3 by 2. 90 degrees is 1. One element have one image. One element have one image. So one element have one image. So codomain and range both are equal. Therefore, it is a bijective function. Now it is clear, everyone? Right. Right. Everyone see. 17th problem. Everyone see the 17th problem. What is the 17th problem is? Everyone observe what is the 17th problem is. Tan inverse of tan of 3 pi by 4. Tan inverse of tan of 3 by 4. What is the range of tan? You should be remember. It is also minus 90 to plus 90. No value is repeated. Open bracket. Why open bracket mean an undefined? The tan 90 is the undefined. Therefore, no. So it is a no undefined number. That's why 90 is not included. This point is clear, everyone. All right. First one, we know this is a 135 degree tan inverse of tan of 135 degree. 135 degree repeated value inverse is not defined. We know that the range of tan inverse is open bracket minus 90 to plus 90. Open bracket minus 90 to plus 90. Okay, na? So, but in 135 degree, it is not in the range, means repeated value, no inverse is defined. No inverse is defined. How can you decrease, sir? Now see, tan inverse of tan of 135 degrees. I am going to write it as a tan inverse of tan of 180 minus 45 degrees. 180 minus 45 degrees. Somebody will tell that, sir, 270 write down, sir, third quadrant na. So third quadrant na. In third quadrant means already inverse trigonometry is defined. I will tell in first only. Inverse trigonometry is defined in first quadrant and second quadrant only, not in the third and fourth quadrant. Therefore, so tan inverse of, so second quadrant, sign only positive, tan is negative. 180 same name, tan of 45 degrees. By the property, tan inverse of, already will tell, tan inverse of minus x, sin inverse of minus x. these three cosecant inverse of, so minus x. These three values are by the property minus sin inverse x minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse x. So tan inverse minus will come outside. In tan inverse minus come outside. Minus tan inverse of tan of 45 degrees. Therefore tan and a tan inverse both are cancelled. Therefore minus 45 degrees. Minus 45 degrees. You know, minus 45 degrees is in the range of belonging to the in the range of minus 90 to plus 90, belonging to the range of minus 90 to plus 90. Okay na? Therefore no value is repeated, bijective inverse is defined. Right, everyone go through the 18th problem. Everyone go through the 18th problem. 18th problem. Everyone see the 18th problem. What is the 18th problem? Is tan of sine inverse of 3 by 5 plus cot inverse of 3 by 2. Right. We know the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. We know the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Okay, now tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. So tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Right. Okay, na? So we know that, sir, why we write this tan inverse formula, sir? But given inside is the sine inverse and cot inverse, na? But outside is the tan is there. Compulsory, it should be tan inverse. It should be tan inverse. Then apply the formula, and tan inverse tan will be cancelled. How can you apply this? Already we know this formula. So immediately you can put so this line, and now let it be as a, here I am going to let everyone see, let sine inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to a. Next, sine inverse come this side, sine 3 by 5 is equal to sine a. Immediately draw the right angle triangle, right angle triangle. So opposite side is the angle is A, opposite side is the 3, hypotenuse is the 5, and adjacent side is the 4. Immediately write down tan A value is equal to 4. Tan A value is equal to 3 by 4. So A is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. Right, one is completed. So tan A is equal to, I will write, so tan A is equal to, it is clear now everyone? Okay, I will write here only. Right, everyone see. First you have to be, let it be problem in this side. I will take this side. Let sine inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to A. Sine inverse come this side. 3 by 5 is equal to sine A. Immediately draw the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. What A angle? So opposite side is the 3, hypotenuse is the 5, opposite adjacent side is the 4, but tan is required. Tan A is equal to 3 by 4. Opposite side by adjacent side. One part is completed. Second one, cot inverse of 3 by 2, let it be B. Cot inverse of 3 by 2, let it be B. 3 by 2 is equal to cot B. Cot reverse is the tan. So 3 by 2 is equal to 1 by tan B. Immediately write down tan B value is, what is the tan B is equal to reverse or cross multiplication. 3 tan B is equal to 2, tan B is equal to 2 by 3. Right, here is write down. So tan of this value, we let it as a, this value is a B. Now write down tan A plus tan B, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. 1 minus tan A into tan B. What is the tan A value? Is the 3 by 4. What is the tan B value? Is the 3, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. What is the 1 minus tan A value? Is the 3 by 4. Tan B value is the 2 by 3. Take LCM and simplify. We get the required answer. First we can do. We get the required answer. One time check. LCM is 9 plus 8 by 4 into 3 is the 12. Here LCM is 12 minus 3 into 2 is the 6 by 12. 12 cancel. 17 by 6 is the required answer. Check one time. Answer is correct. Everyone check the answer. Problem number 18, correct. 17 by 6. Is it clear? Right. Everyone come to the 19th problem. Everyone come to the 19th problem. 19th problem is 19th problem cos inverse of 7 pi by 6. Now everyone write down cos inverse of 7 by pi that 210 degrees. 7 by pi that 210 degrees. So inverse is not defined. Why means cos range is 0 to pi. In 0 to pi, no value is repeated in cos. 0 to pi, no value is repeated in cos. Therefore, it is a bijective function. It have a inverse. Now write down. We know that the range of cos inverse, the range of cos inverse is 0 to pi. The range of cos inverse is 0 to pi. 210 degrees mean value is repeated. It is not a bijective. It is not a bijective means it have no inverse. Okay, na? Right. Everyone write down. So cos inverse of 210 degrees is equal to cos inverse of 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30. Okay, na? So cos inverse of third quadrant 180 plus 180 above. Moving forward, this is the 180 anti-clockwise. Plus means moving forward, minus means clockwise backside. Okay, now minus means backside, plus means for third quadrant. Third quadrant, all silver T, tan only positive, cos is negative. 180, no change of name, cos 30 degrees. Next, cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. By the property I will tell. Negative property. Negative property. See, cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Now write down pi minus cos inverse of cos 30 degree. Cos inverse of cos 30. Now cos pi by 6 belonging to the range of 0 to pi. Therefore, inverse is defined. Cos and cos inverse is cancelled. Pi minus pi by 6. The answer is 5 pi by 6. The answer is 5 pi by 6. Answer is B bit is the answer. Right, everyone go through the 20th problem. Everyone go through the 20th problem. Be ready, everyone. Tomorrow I will put the examination. First topic I will tell her. Everyone prepare up. Everyone prepare up for examination. Okay. Right. Everyone see the 20th problem. Sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Value is, right, everyone see, sine of pi by 3 is the 60 degrees. Sine of minus x, sine inverse of minus x, negative property is minus sine inverse x, minus comes outside, minus minus is the plus, sine inverse of 1 by 2. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. Okay, na? So sine inverse of 1 by 2 means what is the angle? So sine inverse x, sine inverse of 1 by 2, let it be x. Yeah. Now 1 by 2 is equal to sine x. 1 by 2 means sine 30. Sine 30 degrees is equal to sine x. Sine should be cancelled. X is equal to 30 degrees. Okay, na? This is the relative. So now sine of 60 degrees plus sine inverse of 1 by 2, we let it as an x. What is the x value is? What is the x value is the 30 degrees. Now write down sine of 60 degrees plus x value is the 30 degrees. Now sine 90 degrees. Sine 90 degrees value is 1. That's enough. Last 21st problem. Next, I will tell some miscellaneous important problems is there. So they are repeated in say objective and they are repeated in PU also. So what are the important points I will be explained. So that part is completed mean I will send. So objective videos, videos everyone see. And then any doubt is we have means I will explain the clarification. You can come by college means I will explain that clarification. No means you can put in WhatsApp. I will explain in WhatsApp also. Okay, na? So any doubt means one time I will explain. Otherwise, in class only I will explain. No problem. In class only I will explain. Okay, na? In class only I will explain. Right. Everyone see. Right. Everyone see. So tomorrow I go through the new topic. That is the third topic. I will put examination paper, subjective and objective. You should be right in when we have leisure. At that time we have to check your papers. Okay, na? I will put the question paper. So everyone, I'm not going to waste my everyone. I will put the paper. You should write in evening time. Okay, na? So because of we have the practicals afternoon, okay, na, morning class as usual is there. Is there? Yes. At what time, sir? I will send question paper. Evening you should be right. By 6 o'clock we can be right. I will put in the exactly 5 o'clock I will put. Okay, na? We should write 5 o'clock. Okay, na? In long sheet or book. Anyone you can write, no objection. Okay, na? Long sheet or book or whatever it may be. Okay, na? But what is the you have to be check yourself only. Okay, na? Right. 21st problem is C. Everyone. Tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of minus root 3 value is required. So everyone observe this problem is already I tell that cos inverse of minus x negative property. So secant inverse of minus x and cot inverse of minus x. These three cannot be exceed 180. So pi minus cos inverse x. Why sir we write means cos is third quadrant. We cannot define third quadrant. That's why second quadrant only we can be defined. So secant pi minus secant inverse x. This is pi minus cot inverse x. These three are the negative properties. So by these negative properties, okay, by these negative properties, I will apply tan inverse of let tan inverse of root 3 is equal to x. So root 3 is equal to tan x. So root 3 at what angle mean? Tan 60 degrees is equal to tan x. Tan is cancelled. It is x is equal to 60 degree. Second one, first I will write. So tan inverse x, I am going to let it be as a x. So this is come outside. So pi minus cot inverse of root 3. Cot inverse of root 3. Is it correct? Cot inverse of root 3. X angle is 60 degrees. Pi by 3 minus pi. Minus is the plus cot inverse of root 3. Okay, na? Cot inverse of root 3. Let it be y. Cot inverse of root 3. Let it be y. So write down here is pi by 3 minus pi. This is let it be y. What is the y value is? So root 3 is equal to cot y. So cot 30 degrees is equal to cot y. Root 3 the cot 30, cot cancel 30 degrees. So therefore pi by 3 is the 60 degrees. Pi plus 30 degrees is the pi by 6. Take LCM and write down. LCM is 6. Here is the 2 pi minus 6 pi plus pi. So minus 3 pi by 6. Answer is minus pi by 2 is the answer. See where we have that answer is second option is the answer. Everyone clear? Second option is the answer. Right. Next, where we have important problems is, so that problems I am going to work out. So they are asking in the miscellaneous exercise also. In that one also they are asking. So and miscellaneous example also they are asking. Miscellaneous example also they are asking. So that's why I am going to work out the example number 10. Example number miscellaneous example number 10. Miscellaneous example number 10. Right, see the example number 10, miscellaneous. Example number 10, miscellaneous exercise. Show that sine inverse of 3 by 5 minus sine inverse of 8 by 17 is equal to, answer is cos inverse of 84 by 85. 84 by 85. Cos inverse of 84 by 85. Right, everyone see. I will take left hand side. I will prove right hand side. Right hand side is the cos inverse is there. Therefore, cos formula is needed. Right hand side is the cos inverse is there. Cos formula is needed. Cos transformation formula. Compound angles formula. Cos of A plus B or cos of A minus B. So left hand side I will take right hand side. Right hand side is the sine inverse of 3 by 5 minus sine inverse of 8 by 17. Sine inverse of 8 by 17. Okay, na? I will take. So first one is I am going to let it be as a sine inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to 8. So immediately, so now sine 3 by 5 is equal to cos sine A. Immediately write down cos A by the right angle triangle. By the right angle triangle. So this is the opposite side, adjacent side for cos A. Cos A is equal to 4 by 5. One point is completed. This is I am going to let it be as a. Okay, now this is I am going to let it be as a. So next, second one is CM. Second one is what I am going to take it as the second one is observe. Second one value is complete. What is the sine inverse of 8 by 17? Let it be as a B. Sine inverse of 8 by 17 as a, let it be as a B. So 8 by 17 is equal to sine B. Write down the right angle triangle. Now write down the right angle triangle. What is the right angle triangle is? So right angle triangle I am going to take. This is the B angle. Opposite side is the 8. Adjacent side is the 17. Anybody tell me what is the yes, miscellaneous also they are asking. What is the problem is? Everyone see what is the problem is. So I am going to write what is the 8. So 289 and 64. 215 is 15. This is the 15. 225 is 15. Therefore, cos B is equal to 15 by 17. 15 by 17. This is I am going to let it be as a B. So this is the B. Okay, na? Right-handed side is answer is required. For right-handed side answer, I am going to take cos of, here is the A minus B, cos of A minus B. Right hand side is the cos required. Here we have A minus B, therefore cos of A minus B take. So now we should write. So cos A, cos B, opposite side plus sine